Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can get free passes on Dress to Impress. So it's a little bit like you won't 100% get it, but these are the tips that you can learn from this video. So the first one is to just enter as many giveaways as you can. A lot of people will do giveaways on free passes on Dress to Impress. So you're just going to want to enter those, or I just say for all of my passes, I don't beg for, I don't join giveaways, but you can absolutely do that. I don't think you should beg for VIP. I think you should just act nice, and sometimes people will be just like, oh my gosh, you're so nice, I will give you a pass. So I suggest not begging for VIP, but it's totally up to you. You can ask for VIP. Sometimes people would be like doing the like giveaways where you have to like stand still and not move, and then they'll give you VIP. You can also do that, but I don't know how foolproof it is, but I think giveaways are the best options if you want passes. But yeah, that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.